are Autodesk education partners and authorized training center as well Certiport authorized testing center established with the objective to cater professional training needs at the core. Established in 2011 at Vijaypur, Karnataka, we are exclusively into training of CAD, CAM, CAE, HVAC courses for diploma, engineering and MTech students and corporates too. We are ISO 9001-2015 certified institution. What is Authorized Training Center? Authorized training centers deliver quality learning experiences to students and customers. Their comprehensive training courses help you increase your product knowledge, prepare for certification exams, and achieve your career goals. Authorized by Autodesk, these training centers maintain a professional staff of Autodesk certified instructors recognized by the worldwide Autodesk Learning Partner community. Dear students and job seekers, join Tech Mantra Vijaypur for quality training based on job forecast, internationally accredited certificate, and ultimately for better career opportunities.